Today's video topic is, are there benefits to using honey and lemon on your face? Honey and lemon are commonly found in many skincare products, but some people prefer to use them in their pure form on their faces. Both ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and skincare, and they are believed to offer various benefits for the skin. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of using honey and lemon on your face and how to use them safely. 1. Benefits of honey for your face. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps to moisturize the skin by drawing moisture from the air. It also contains antibacterial properties which can help to treat acne and prevent future breakouts. Additionally, honey has antioxidant properties that can protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Honey can also help to soothe inflammation and irritation, making it a great ingredient for those with sensitive skin. 2. Benefits of lemon for your face. Lemons are a natural source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps to keep the skin firm and supple, and it can decrease as we age. Vitamin C also has brightening properties, which can help to even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Lemons also contain citric acid, which can help to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells. However, it's important to note that citric acid can be irritating to the skin, so it should be used in moderation and diluted with water. 3. How to use honey and lemon on your face. To use honey on your face, apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and pat your face dry. You can also mix honey with other ingredients such as cinnamon or turmeric for added benefits. To use lemon on your face, dilute the juice of half a lemon with water and apply it to your face with a cotton ball. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. You can also mix lemon juice with honey or sugar for a natural exfoliating scrub. 4. Precautions. While honey and lemon are generally safe for most people to use on their faces, there are some precautions to keep in mind. First, if you have sensitive skin, it's best to do a patch test before applying honey or lemon to your face. This will help you determine if you have any allergic reactions to these ingredients. Second, if you have open wounds or cuts on your face, avoid using honey or lemon as they can cause stinging and irritation. In conclusion, honey and lemon can offer various benefits for your skin when used safely and in moderation. Honey can help to moisturize and soothe the skin, while lemon can brighten and exfoliate. If you're interested in trying these ingredients on your face, be sure to do a patch test first and follow the recommended dilution ratios to avoid any adverse reactions.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.